Joerg is admiring his barometer.
I'm not admiring it, I'm just looking at it.
Yes.
Yeah, and it says that I'm between rain and change.
Yeah, it does look like
It looks like it's changing.
It's quite dark. Hi everyone. So today Joerg and I thought we would share some new things we got for the house and changes we made, and we start here in the attic room. So we showed you the Christmas gift in the gift guide for him, the barometer, which looks very nice, I think.
Yeah.
And we also added 2 more pictures that we've had for many, many years.
Yes.
And
I think they, in our old house, they were hanging in the entrance hall.
Yeah. And this is a new interior book we recently bought. It shows the interior of Henri Samuel, master of the French interior. It's honestly so beautiful. We are quite obsessed with the mixing of the patterns, and yeah, we can really recommend it. And we thought we would switch it up a little because we have a lot of English interior books and we love French interior as well. Let me see. It's so interesting and really gorgeous. So if you're looking for something new, this is really worth checking out. So very often we sit in our slipper chairs and watch TV. This is a Samsung TV, which looks like a painting now, and it's great. It's really great. And we also added a new picture in the landing that we should share. We got it from the vintage, what's it called? The Vintage Art Gallery. Let's share the picture. Do you want me to go first? Okay. Now. Right. Let's go here. And this is a new edition. An antique painting which looks amazing, we think. And the good thing is this shows Folkestone Harbour.
Yeah.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
And our plan is to add another one here on the right hand side because there's space and we think it would look wonderful. Yeah. It's beautiful.
It's unique. It's an original painting.
Yes, colourful.
Yeah.
It's honestly so nice. As we said earlier, it was reasonably priced. I think just a little bit more than £100. So, and it looks stunning. Really lovely. Now, can you spot the hot air balloon? This is the hot air balloon that we bought at Castle Howard. And look at this. We have a print here, basically showing the very same hot air balloon. And then we have, let me see, where can I find it? Here, we have the steeple wallpaper, and it has hot air balloons in it as well.
Yeah.
So that's just perfect. And we think it looks wonderful. It makes us smile. And also that was before Christmas. We bought some new lampshades from Pookie actually. So one is here and the other one is here. Looks very nice, I think.
biggest changes you will see in the next room.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah.
We made use of our time here over the Christmas period because we couldn't go to Germany. And yeah, let's go there. You should go first, Joerg. I think you have to switch on the light in there. Yeah. Now, this is the master bedroom. And Joerg finished papering the entire room. Not only that, he put up a ceiling rose. So here you have the built-in wardrobe again. It looks wonderful. And Joerg also changed the sockets and switches. They look amazing now. And we're currently waiting for wall lights, right? Yeah. You know, I must say, the ceiling rose looks wonderful, doesn't it?
It makes a difference.
It makes such a difference, yeah. This is by no means finished. This is a... how do you say? A blind.
Yeah.
So that's our blind that we had made with a Sanderson fabric. But don't jump to any conclusions. It will look wonderful once we will have custom made curtains with trimmings, which will be more colourful. So that will look amazing. So that's the Sanderson fabric. It's very good quality. It's very, very thick. And what else? So yeah, Joerg just took his time, which is great, I think. And in case you're interested, the colour of the wardrobe, I think, is new white from Ferro Ball, isn't it? Yeah, new white.
New white.
So that's such a classic. We got another painting from the Vintage Art Gallery. We bought many, I think. We have some more stored. And this will go in here as well. But we have to wait. We also, what we should mention is, we have ordered, what's it called? An Queen Anne style.
Queen Anne style drawer.
Chest of drawers, which will go here. It will probably come next week, and it looks divine. We think it will look wonderful in here. So, yeah, that way. That looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Could you hold it up against the wall?
And it's not a print.
No, it's not a print. Original.
It will be here.
That looks wonderful.
Yeah, it matches with the flowers.
Yes, yes. I love it. And that's what, you see, Sarah, and this is not sponsored, so I stumbled upon the shop on Instagram, and all the frames, I think, they look amazing. So, but what do you want to do now, Joerg? You want to set up the bed again?
Yes, because I need
Yeah, I think what will really change this room, now it looks pretty boring still, I think. But once we have beautiful curtains with trimmings and cushions and maybe a wonderful bolster cushion, and probably we plan a very lovely big antique mirror there, another chest of drawers here, that makes a huge difference again. But now we have the, how do you say, like a canvas that we can work with.
Yeah. So let's start with the bed.
Yes, let's start with the bed. In case you want to know where the light is from, that's old. Laura Ashley, quite old, about 20 years old.
Yes.
but we still love it, and yeah, we just keep it, of course. And just once more, the wallpaper is Colfax and Fowler, and Colfax and Fowler is just classic English style.
Yeah, and it's called Darcy.
It's called Darcy. Yes.
Very Jane Austen.
It's a bit hard to film. We have a very dark day, but we love it. So, let's start with the bed. Are you ready for bed now?
Yes.
Well, we don't have any bed linen. A little less chaos, but still chaos.
It's the guys.
Yeah.
Looks good.
It's a big improvement.
Oh yeah, the room looks totally different now.
Now, it's the next day, and we want to share a recipe for a sweet treat. Before we end this video, we made this on New Year's Eve. It's a tradition in our family, and we made it here at home. For the very first time, I talked to my mom and she shared the recipe. It's called Fürzchen. So there's no real translation, but it's choux pastry. And it's so easy to make and so good. And Joerg, usually it's quite popular in Germany for Carnival, during Carnival season.
Yes. I remember my grandma making it.
Yeah, and it's so good, and we thought, well, we have to share it. So you will find the recipe down below in the info box, and it's honestly so easy and nice. So let's start. So you take water and butter, add a pinch of salt, and bring this to the boil. Okay, now remove it from the heat, and then I take, now this is flour mixed with corn flour, right? Yes. And then I need to add this bit by bit. Now I have to be quite quick. I have to keep stirring until it looks like a huge dumpling, basically. So this is gluten-free flour, that's why it looks like this, but it's working, we tried it. See? And now this has to cool down a little bit, and then we can add eggs.
So what I do now is I take the dough.
Yeah, he's taking over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
We have to add
eggs.
6 eggs in total, but you have to add them one after the other.
Yeah.
So very slowly and carefully.
Now I'm mixing the eggs and the dumpling together using dough hooks.
Yes. And at the end, you have to add a teaspoon of baking powder.
Yeah.
It's smooth and shiny, and we're heating up some frying oil now. So the oil should be hot enough. Now I take a bit of batter and just put it into the oil. And fry it. Quite easy. It smells a little bit like a chippy in here. Well, we love fish and chips. Okay, I'll take them out. Put them on a tray here. So you get all sorts of shapes. As you can see, that's quite a lot, but we took double the amount, so we have them for several days. Now I take them and coat them with icing sugar.
Yeah.
And then they are ready to be eaten.
I remember my grandmother coated it with sugar and cinnamon.
Yeah, that would work as well. Or what you could do, that's called Windbeutel in German. You could, I don't know how to explain it, like put some whipping cream, is it whipping cream? Or vanilla pudding.
Yeah.
So that's something nice too. And this is very easy to make, I think.
Yeah.
The only downside is the whole house smells of like, I don't know, just, of the oil, and you just have to air the house. Now give it a try, Joerg.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should see the inside.
Yeah.
It's very fluffy.
Mm.
Can you see it? I don't know. So this is the inside, and it's very good. We love it. And we haven't had it in years, so we found out it's so easy to make. We have the best excuse for it to break now.
Yeah, yes we do.
Yes, and we hope you like this video and maybe found some inspiration in case you want to try a new sweet treat.
I can tell you it's very good.
It's so good. Yeah, and as always, we'll see you again very soon. So take care.
And
And until next time.
bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.